Hello, my name is Wu Hui. I work at the China National Botanical Garden. My job is to use big data and artificial intelligence to archive information about plants in our country. China is one of the regions with the richest plant diversity in the world, with about 37,000 species of higher plants. From the early days of the founding of the People's Republic of China, through the efforts of 4 generations of Chinese scientists, the book The Flora of China was finally compiled after 80 years. These are our plant specimens. The Flora of China provides information